Well, as you can see, I've got my Z-Trap 8-inch Skunk-N-More set for the 6th time. Hasn't missed yet. Let's come back in the morning and see what kind of critter we're going to catch. You know we're going to catch one. Well, the Z-Trap Skunk-N-More 8-inch it worked again. That's my 6th time to set it and my 6th catch. You can see last night a possum came by and then a raccoon came by, but a skunk was the one that went in and got caught. If you've been watching my videos, that was the 4th skunk I've caught, and I've caught 2 possums, and so I've still got at least 1 more possum to catch, if not more. So, hey, you know the routine if you've been watching. Let's go out to our pretty little lake and we'll turn him loose. Hey, be sure and tie him down so he don't just slide all over your pickup. Let's go let him loose. Well, it's my 6th trip out to this little lake. 4 skunk, let go 2 possums. Let's go down here and turn him loose like we've been doing. This Skunk-N-More Z-Trap, it just don't miss. I've found that if I put something under the end and kind of tilt it, it seems to help them come out a little quicker. Let me grab my little ladder. What's nice about this trap is you can just pull this little pin, let this door off, then just turn them right out. Hopefully it won't take him too long. We'll see. Yeah, I see it moving around, so maybe he's fixing, maybe he's fixing to come. Ooh, he rolled it off. Bet that was fun. I ain't had that happen before. Come on, boy, get on out of there. Hell, look like I'm just going to have to sit up here and wait him out. Go out, skunk. Hell, I can see him clear at the back of the trap through them little holes. He'd just move forward, turn around or whatever. I don't want to get up here and get sprayed as soon as he comes out. He can't raise his tail in the trap, so he can't spray while he's in there, but as soon as he comes out, he can. Go out of there, skunk. Well, I see it moving again. Hopefully that's a good sign. I can kind of see him moving in there a little bit. I don't know if he's... There he goes, finally. Man, I didn't think he was ever gonna leave. Well, I know I didn't make y'all watch all that, but that one there took me about 15 minutes to get him to come out. The other ones come out somewhat quicker, but hey, I've read where they get, you know, where they, you know, feel secure inside that tube, and sometimes it takes it a little while for them to come out. So hey, it took him a little bit, but hey, he's out. That's my 6th catch in this trap. 6 tries, 6 catches, 4 skunks, 2 possums. Hey, if you want to watch the unboxing video, I'm going to put a link here on the end screen. I'll put it down in the description. But if you're thinking about buying a trap, hey, this Z-Trap catches skunks. It just really don't miss. You know, if they go in, they're caught. And you know, with this tube, they can't raise their tail and spray. So hey, that makes it even better. That's 4 skunks, not even a hint of getting sprayed. So hey, if this entertained you, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos. Till next time, I'll catch you later.